Welcome back to Algebra Made Easy. You lost me at X. Today we're going to look at four multi-step equations, which is generally in the beginning of the first chapter of any algebra course. So we are going to be using the properties of distributing and also the properties of combining like terms to isolate our X. So let's start out with this first problem here, and let me draw my line. And let's remember that my goal, so it's the X on the left side of the equation and everything else to the other side. So I want to do this using inverse operations. I can start off here playing two divides. And that leaves me with 5 times 3x minus 6 equals 28 plus 2, which is 30. So now I'm going to distribute the 5. Distributing means to multiply. So I'm going to go 5 times 3x, which is 15x, and 5 times minus 6, which is kind of like a negative 6, minus 30 equals 30. So then at this point, I'm going to add 30 to both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by 15, and I get x equals 4. Alrighty, when we come to this problem over here, I want to actually show you. So, multiplication isolated here, I can actually start out this problem. I can distribute, or I can divide both sides by 2 here. These cancel out. Subtract 3 from both sides, I get 5x equals 10. Divide both sides by 5, and x equals 2. And as long as you stay consistent in your rules and in your procedures, you will get down to the answer. So now when I look at this problem here, I'm going to draw my line. And this time I don't see any distributings, but I do want to combine my like terms. I do notice that I have an x here, an x here, and an x here. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. A different color. And I have a 4 here, and I have a minus. I can actually put a 1 here. And then I can add 4 plus negative 3, or 4 minus 3, which is 1, 6 equals 15. Add 6 to both sides. 2x equals 21. Divide both sides by 2. And x equals 10.5. In our last problem that we're going to look at today, we're going to kind of put all of it together. Okay, so I'm going to draw my line here. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. And I'm going to continue writing my equation here. Minus 8x plus 1 equals negative 40. And I have a couple of things that I can combine here. So I can combine the coefficients in front of the x's. So that's 15 and negative 8, which is 7x. And then over here I have negative 20 plus 1, which is negative 19. Seven x equals negative 21. Divide both sides by 7. and x equals -3. And those are 4 examples today on solving multi-step equations. Please check out some of my YouTube shorts where I will be doing some of those challenge problems that occur in this section.